Hey, so this is the HBlife, and it's gonna be a expandable hose. So let's check it out here. Let's see what we got. See what it comes with. So this HBlife comes in a bag that is well sealed. So that's everything out of this. And here's the instructions, but let's just check it out. So we have an expandable hose. Oh, so this is it. So look at how small it gets down to, but then it expands and you see it kind of stretches. Ooh, it gets like 10 times as long as it looks on there. And we've got the plug there with a washer in it, which is good. This one here has a, let's see if we can zoom in on it. It's got a little ball valve. Perfect, so it'll shut off very good and solid. So perfect for nice hose. And we've got, which is nice, this one comes with a nice splitter. Look at this. So nice with the little, I'm sure it's got the little ball valves in there too. So we can open and close each side. So this is perfect for me. So when I'm at the RV parks, I plug this thing in and I can have my hose going to my camper, and then I can still have this one here to be washing my hands and to clean off all the other stuff. Or sometimes I go to a place where they make 2 people do it, so it's got a good splitter on it. And then, wow, this is heavy. Man, I think this is like made out of aluminum. So it's a nice sprayer, and it's got the little clippy on it so you can keep it on. And I think this is probably the volume control for it, so you can make it harder and lighter of a spray, which is unique. I haven't seen that. And we can turn it to see all the different ones. Man, that clicks in there good. And man, this one's really well made, because look at it. Even on the side, it tells you the different types of spray that it's gonna have. I don't know if it's backwards. That's funny. There, oh, soaker. To me, it looks backwards on here. I don't know if it's gonna come out backwards on there. Maybe when it's making a video, it does it backwards. I never even noticed that before. But, so that's the sprayer and the splitter and the hose and a nice convenient bag to hold it in. So this is perfect for my trailer. Got the instructions. If you don't know how to use a hose, you probably need more than just instructions. So, but there we go. And that's the HBlife expandable hose with a splitter, and that. It's exciting. Good. I need this. I'm gonna go put it out in the trailer right now. Oh, my little button here.